went to Harbor Freight and I picked up a new 224cc Predator, and I picked up a 212 non-hemi. So do an unboxing of them and show you the differences on the outside. So I went and picked me up one of these new 224cc Predators. While I was there, I also picked up a 212. This one is there it is, non-hemi version. So we'll unbox both of these and see what the difference is. So here's the specifications on 212, and here's the little specification chart 224. See, the mounting dimensions are the same. So if you've opened up a 212 box before, you'll know you have your manual sitting right on top. Your spark plug tool, styrofoam. Down inside there is the engine. I'll get inside of the box. Now we'll open this one, what everybody wants to see. There we go. Okay, box is open. 224. Open it up. Sitting on top in the bag right away. Get some carburetor jets, and looks like some fuel hole gaskets and your owner's manual. It's cardboard. Nothing in there. Nothing. Just some cardboard. And there she is in there. Let me get her out. Got her out of the box and notice there's some stuff in the bottom. So let's take a look in there. And spark plug wrench and door handle. Took it out of the bag. In that bag, it's a little baby funnel. That's pretty cool. Always looking for a funnel. So here I have Charles. He's gonna weigh himself. 134 pounds. Get on the scale with the 212 Predator. Then he'll put it down and he'll hold the 224. So after unboxing those outside, the wind was too loud, and I had to scrap that video and making this one now. So right here we got the new Predator Max Performance 224cc engine from Harbor Freight, and next to it we got your regular 212 non-hemi Predator from Harbor Freight. Look at some differences on the outside here and see what's what. So the first thing you notice right away is the throttle adjuster here. Big red guy on this one. And on the 212 is just a metal one there. The air boxes are different. This one you got acorn nuts holding it on. Regular nuts holding this one on. Pull starters are a little different. This one goes into a cup there, and this one just sits on the outside. Inside the air cleaners, non-hemi 212. Just pops open like that, and inside it, your little block of foam. And it just closes down like that. On the new 224, it unscrews here. Just lifts up, and you got that filter in there. It unscrews to change it out. And then just goes right back on like so. Both have the choke on the top, gas on and off on the bottom. Black lever on the 224, gray lever on the 212. Choke, gas. And that's pretty much it for the front side. Move to the side. Alrighty, here's this side. On the 224, it's your tank, your gas tank ears, the oil sensor box. Your wires are in this nice little plastic case here. On-off switch. There's your oil sensor. There's your numbers on your block. Your oil drain. And you come over to the 212. Pretty similar. Got your gas tank gears. They're flat instead of angled. Oil sensor box. Oil sensor. Your wires are just kind of free floating here on the 212. Your on-off switch. Your block markings. Your drain hole. That's about it for that side. Move to the back side. So here's the back side of the 224. You got a 3/4 inch crank there. You got your bolt holes. It'll hold on your torque converter if you run one. You still got your 2 oil fills there. Not much here. Biggest thing, this little rib right here. It's that cylinder support. It's nice to see that on there. And then you see this little box here. It's for emissions. We'll get to that on the other side. Exhaust here is a square guy. Yeah. Then you got your 212. Your exhaust there. It's got the little curvature to it. You notice here, it doesn't have that extra cylinder support. 3/4 inch crank, torque converter holes, oil fills. See the difference in gas tank supports. That's the 212. And that'll be your 224. And that's that side. Move on to the other side. Here's the force side of the 224. You see that emissions box better. Got a line that runs up this side of the motor. Runs all the way across to vent the tank. Then you got another hose that runs to that emissions box that comes out of your air box right there. Runs back down along with this one into that emissions box. Just stamped steel black valve cover. You look right here. Look right there. It says Dakar on that carburetor. And on the 212, looks like the same valve cover, just not black. Nothing really to show on this one. Your gas tank vent is right there. Runs up to your gas tank. There's a carburetor. Top of the 212. Then you got your spark plug. This is your gas tank vent. Goes there, runs down along there to the bottom, right there. The throttle linkage down in there. One thing I do like about the non-hemi 212s is the thin gas cap. Down in there, you got your filter. Pulls out. Here's your tank. The 224. Your gas cap. It's a thin one too. I like those. And that filter's down in there a little ways. It pulls right out as well. Drop it right back in. Just like so. There's that vent. Got your throttle linkage down in there. Spark plug. And that's about it.